Okay, as you go through this course, there's a couple of requirements that you're going to need for this course. Obviously, I hope you already have IntelliJ. That's my preferred IDE, and that's what I'll be using in the videos. But because it is on AWS, you're going to need an account at AWS. Now, everything we're doing should fit in the AWS free tier. At the time of writing, there is a free tier for AWS, and everything you should be able to do should fit into the free tier. And I highly encourage you to try to follow through the examples. Now, the other thing, we're going to get into setting up some domain stuff, and it'd be ideal if you have your own domain. So get out to a register. It doesn't matter what you call a domain, but get your own domain so we can work with domain name services, because AWS Route 53 is a domain name service, and we're going to be setting up some custom URLs so we don't have to worry about IPs. We'll be working with domain name services so we get friendly URL names. So I'll show you stuff using mine, but for you to follow along, it'd be ideal if you have your own domain name. And domain names are fairly cheap to register. Get one for just for your uses. There's a lot of providers out there. Personally, I use GoDaddy. I'm not endorsing them. They're just convenient. But there's a bunch of domain name providers. So I highly recommend you do that so you can follow fully along through the examples in this course.